Now, what, backtrack tayo. So there you go. They're here. As you can see there, those are the programs that we are offering. So we have 5 minutes left. No IELTS required na po. Okay? And we are offering more than 230,000 peso scholarships, all spread out in your second SEM, third SEM, and fourth SEM. Waive na rin yung application fee natin. And we are now accepting applications in January 2026 and May 2026 intake. Needless to say, may mapa yan, IT Tech, daming kumpanya to support the graduates. Healthcare, daming kumpanya to support the graduates. So ito dapat na kinoconsider ninyo. I believe that Canada still is the most strategic when it comes to other countries na nag-accept ng international student kasi straightforward ang pathway niya when it comes to PR.